National Herald newspaper by Gadalsak rang Fersher Claimani Dorbaro Dilini Raus Avenue Adaloto Congress ni Nikolai Sonia Gandhi te Rahul Gandhi ni phashing charge sheet rekha enforcement director eba ED apa timung ni phashing kwthumlai mungo khorangti shaka Sarvabharatiya Congress committee eba AICC ni goshimung ni kahai srangshala khastewo ED tangnok bwskango kwthumlai mung khlaika pradesh Congress bodol ashalo pradesh Congress teliwajibung by rally songsai rekha Areli ED office bwskango thangke police mission no kasulaika obonotoi congress ni samung khlairaite police ni bisingo kisa kok banglai mani nokjakha abuni ulo kok tumthumnai ni bwskango ED te BJP bodoli phashing khok kenkha MLA Sudibrai Barman te Pradesh Congress Asokpang Ashish Kumar Saha Gujarat Bihar Paschim Bongo te Kerala ni Bidhan Sabha chongmari ni swkang bodolni hamyano hunya bagai media ni shep by samung khlai tongka hni kok siljamung khlaika MLA Sudibrai Barman.
But they want to drag on. They want to make Modi ji and his party will be making this an issue in the elections. देखिए भ्रष्टाचार इतना गंभीर है कांग्रेस का मेन दो नेता नेत्री इसमें जुड़े हुए this is the narrative they want to create by dragging the attention of the common people from the main issue they're facing. This is nothing without any money being transferred, without an inch of property being transferred, with no money trail on record. What is this case for? What is this case for? This is just an utter nuisance to harass the sanctity of the two leaders who are neat and clean. कोई तो मुद्दा इनके पास नहीं है तो छवि खराब करना, इनके ऊपर कीचड़ फेंकना, यही तो असल कारण है. तो कांग्रेस will fight it in the streets, in the court and everywhere.
Ashalo Pradesh Congress ni Achokpang Ashish Kumar Saha bo party mung no tuye khok gangmani nukjakha Ashamung butango Congress ni MLA Gopal Chandra Rai ni logi bodoli Nikolai rok bo phai manjak phaimani nukjakha. Bureau report Kokhara.